I gave my CBSE 12th board examination this year. I was from Chinmaya Vidyalaya Bokaro, and a few days ago my results were announced. I scored 96% overall in the subject combination PCM plus PE with English and 95 marks in chemistry. Although I expected more, so I have sent it for evaluation. So I'll be talking about chemistry in specific. My standard 11th chemistry was a mess. I somehow managed to study chemistry in standard 11 but could not understand the concepts clearly. So I decided to join the Origin of Chemistry classes by UK Sir. Since then, the journey has been so smooth. UK Sir emphasizes more on understanding the concepts and getting into the deep facts, because he said chemistry is all about logical analysis, not about remembering. This is the most difficult subject which a student finds nowadays, but with a proper guidance and consistency you can excel in it very easily. It is very easy when you get a proper guidance. So I recommend you, if you are any way connected to Bokaro, and if you can connect to UK Sir, you go for it. You take him as a mentor, and I promise you won't regret.
Hi, my name is Pankaj Kumar, and I had given CBSE 12th examination this year from Sri Akka Public School, and I got 95 marks in chemistry and my overall percentage was 94.4. I studied chemistry from the Origin chemistry classes by UK Sir in 11th and 12th. Their teaching was so good that I couldn't explain it. Sir was very much friendly with us, and he was also helpful to us. He had always tried his best to make the things clear and understandable for us. So thank you very much.
Hi, this is Khushbu Kumari and I am from Chinmaya Vidyalaya. I got 94 marks in chemistry and my overall percentage is 91 in the academic year 2020. I am a resident of Chas and I joined the Origin classes last year. Since then, I have improved this subject a lot, and the whole credit goes to UK Singh Sir. His notes were really awesome and he helped me clear my doubts every time I needed him. He worked really hard on us, be it arranging extra classes, suggesting books, in fact bringing them to us. He had been a true inspiration for all our classmates. Thank you, sir, for this. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Ronit Mukherjee. I did my schooling from Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Bokaro City. I got 95 marks in chemistry board examinations 2020. Also, I got a fairly good percentile in chemistry in my JEE mains January attempt. I took my chemistry coaching from the Origin chemistry classes where UK Sir teaches. The good performance that I could give in chemistry would not have been possible without the guidance of UK Singh Sir. A message I would like to give to my juniors would be, follow his notes. His notes are really good. They are enough to get through the board examinations and the competition examinations as well. Also, I would like to suggest you all to maintain the consistency, because for success you only need to be consistent.
Hello everybody, my name is Janvi Vats and I gave my 12th board examination this year and I secured 91% and I was awarded with 90 marks in chemistry. Now I would like to start with thanking UK Singh Sir, because obviously if it weren't for him I wouldn't even have got half of what I have secured now. So I think you should all take his classes, because he is that kind of very rare teacher who will explain you the same doubts more than 5 times, because trust me, I was a student like that. He taught me the same topic like twice or thrice very patiently with full effort, and he is the kind of teacher who puts a lot of effort into each child. So yeah, I would like to thank him, and I literally owe him whatever I have got in my 12th results. And yeah, thank you so much, sir, and I would